This next feature will help ease a beginner's transition to drawing on an iPad screen. The feature makes our shaky lines look more stable. Let's take a look at how to do it. Go to Actions and click on Prefs. It's right here, Pressure and Smoothing. It was Edit Pressure Curve in the last version. But they've changed the name to Pressure and Smoothing instead, and you'll see Edit Pressure Curve here. New features added are Stabilization, Motion Filtering, and Motion Filtering Expression, which can change the movement of our lines. It's pretty detailed. Let's try the Stabilization. I'll draw some lines without using it first. I'm using the marker brush, which is in the inking. If you're using a small brush, you'll notice that it's a little shaky. It might not look very shaky here because I'm now using my paper film, which helps a lot. This is without using the stabilization. Then go to Pressure and Smoothing. Reduce the stabilization to around 40%, and let's see how much it has changed. It feels more vicious when I draw curves. It's like adjusting our curve lines to make them more beautiful. Let's try it with some short curve lines. You'll notice that it's a little vicious. It helps our shaky lines to be more stable. Let's try increasing it to the max. It's very, very vicious. The line's barely curved. It's like bending a metal wire. Customize it according to your preference. For me, I feel like adjusting it around 10% is enough, just to make the curves beautiful but still look natural, like we're actually drawing. The next feature is motion filtering. To see how the feature works clearly, we'll greatly increase the stabilization. Then, try to draw some curves. But if we increase the motion filtering like this, let's try. The curves we're drawing are more beautiful now. This feature is suitable for people who like graphics that are a bit geometrical. It makes such beautiful curves. It helps us to make the curves more beautiful. But if you adjust it further to almost at the end, it'll narrow down the curves. It depends on how you like it. It gives you the feeling of bending the wire more. I think adjusting it to around this level works perfectly. Anyone who likes graphic work to be in a line like this will feel comfortable using it. It's perfect. After you're done adjusting this one, you can also adjust the next feature, which is the motion filtering expression. What's the difference? I think we'll have to observe and find out. I'll set the motion filtering pretty high and we'll try to increase the motion filtering expression. Do you see the difference? It feels like bending a wire even more. It's more vicious when you draw curved lines. The line won't just stay still. Do you notice that it moves a little? It filters the line by itself, which makes us feel like we're bending a wire. Let's try increasing it to the max and see how it turns out. Do you notice that the line is still moving? It feels like we can't control it that much. It's like letting the application draw the lines for us. Like we're bending a wire. The line moves by itself, something like this. For me, I'll just turn this feature off because I like natural lines. You can try to play with it. It depends on the style of your work. If you like stiff lines, you can set it pretty high. For me, I like mine to be around here, so the lines will still look natural. It depends on each person's style. This pressure and smoothing feature is a setting that you can use with all kinds of drawings, whether using the brushes, smudge tools, or erasers. It's a feature to set the lines that we draw. It applies with every brush.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Procreate Masterclass. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.